Asteroids are irregularly shaped objects ranging from meters to 1000 kilometers of area. They are usually made up of rocks and may also consist of clays and metals like nickel and iron. Asteroids orbit around the Sun as well as sometimes around the planets as big as the Sun. They have similar behavior to the planets. Due to their asymmetric shapes and behavior, these mini planets are referred to as asteroids or planetoids. Our universe is 13.8 billion years old. According to our current understanding, the universe took birth with a big bang. During this time, it created a huge matter. With time, it slowly formed celestial bodies like nebulas, galaxies, solar systems, and the process still continues. Asteroids are remnants of this process. Asteroid belt is roughly in between Jupiter and Mars. It is occupied by a great many solid, irregularly shaped, and many sized asteroids. There are many myths roaming around regarding asteroid impact on the Earth. It is said that the Earth will be hit by an asteroid, which can be one of the reasons for the end of life on the Earth. A great theoretical physicist, Professor Stephen Hawking, also predicted that the Earth would be definitely hit in future with these celestial bodies. Though he has not predicted the exact date or time period, he has mentioned this clearly in his last book named Brief Answers to Big Questions. NASA has confirmed that on April 29, 2020, the asteroid 527681998 OR2 will have a safe but close flyby by the Earth. This asteroid has a 1.02 kilometer radius. Any asteroid coming in orbit less than 7.5 million kilometers is considered to be hazardous to the Earth. It will pass by approximately 6 million kilometers away from the Earth. This asteroid comes in the category of potential hazardous, but it is confirmed that there is no probability that this asteroid will hit the Earth as it will safely pass by it. Based on tracking observations, the International Asteroid Warning Network has confirmed that the asteroid 2017 PDC has 96% chances of impacting the Earth on July 21, 2027. The possible impact locations are confined to a region stretching from China across North and South Korea, Japan, and into the Pacific. The atmosphere performs as a protective layer and meteors are burnt in the mesosphere. First of all, it must pass through the atmosphere without being burnt. The impact of the asteroid hit depends on the size, weight, and speed of an individual asteroid. Such an event occurred at Tunguska in Russia on June 30, 1908. Asteroids reached the Earth's surface over a forest area of 2000 square kilometers. The blast area consists of an unusual proportion of metals such as carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen, as found in the investigations after several years of the impact. Historically, this has been the most significant asteroid impact experienced by the Earth. The United Nations General Assembly has thus declared June 30 as the International Asteroid Day to globally acknowledge the anniversary of an incident when the asteroid significantly impacted Russia. This is an attempt to create global awareness and establish a global communication that can prepare scientists and the common people to undertake suitable remedial actions if this threat is to become a reality in the future.